Oke guys, balik lagi di Jivan Nakawa Channel. Jadi Jivan Nakawa Channel, Jivan Gamingnya. Tadi udah dipencet record guys. Jadi tadi udah aku pencet record tapi ternyata tiba-tiba nggak nge-record guys. Sorry ya. Mulainya di tengah perjalanan ya. Sorry nih.
Spike planted. Your hearts are pounding.
Udah surrender aja nih orang-orang. Guys. Latihan aim dulu guys. Allahu Akbar, kenapa yang ini? Latihan aim dulu guys.
No distraction.
You're playing A of course, man. You lose?
Cover going out.
You joking? We really have a
Careful.
how dicuri?
Joke's over. You're dead.
Spike down A.
Reloading.
Aduh, kocak. Jadi dia ngapus A terus gak sih? Langsung ngerasain lah ya. Tanpa banyak buah basi re. Waduh. Rawon wes daging terus
Enemy spotted A.
Gak bisa coy. Udah terkalkulasi. Of course. It's dead. Almost. They could be.
Fireboys gone.
They always push A.
Seek them out.
Thunder.
Found one. Enemy spotted A. Finished.
Making cover.
How I can't see, bro.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Spot spotted A.
Cutting their vision. 30 seconds left.
Pull up. Let me cook. Let me.
My city needs me. I can't be away for
Pull up. Let
long.
me cook.
Let's end this quickly.
Aduh. Tadi si itu kemana ya si Clove ya? Kok dia bisa kabur sih? Dia tadi di sini. Tadi di sini ditembakin aku lihat. Tiba-tiba dia di sini. Hah? How bro? I can't understand it.
Silence them.
Pathetic.
Enemy spotted
Ada
A.
apa?
Enemy spotted A.
He's setting.
One enemy remaining.
Gotcha.
Spike down A.
My turn.
Oh
One
my
enemy
god,
remaining.
bro. What you did? Like why, bro? Why? Guys, kalian pusing nggak kalau gini guys? Apalagi main 1600 DPI ya.
For you, hermanita.
For you, Hermanita.
Enemy spotted A. Unavoidable.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Wow, wow. Chill, my boy.
Still in sight.
Enemy spotted A. Noble girl out.
Jatuh dia. Gue ngerawan terus jogging loh, Rek.
Purple girl out, would ya? Cheers, mate.
Huh? Just like trying to say to him that I can't buy him, bro. I don't have money, bro. Go, 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 go.
Show me a target. Shadows traveling.
Healing over here.
Some names. What is my aim doing that I hear it my aim? Oh,
Spike planted.
oh no, I am playing. Spike B? Is it B?
Place.
Nice
Last round
threat, bro.
in the half.
That's actually not a
Spend it.
very nice threat
I can
because
buy.
he giving the damage
Can someone get
from
this?
the enemy to herself. Dia ngasih damage-nya ke diri dia sendiri biar si Omen dapat waktu buat TV.
Someone get this.
Smart Sky.
Thank you.
What a smart sky. This is maybe the smartest sky I've ever seen in 5 games before.
They will cower.
Damn, bro.
Show me a target.
Come on. Pick me, ke? You ain't picking? No, these guys aren't picking. Aren't picking, huh? Oh, they're playing weird. They are picking, bro. Okay,
Cover going out.
oh my god, bro. What do I do? Whoa, whoa, yo, yo, yo! To the ground.
Switching sides.
Oh my god.
Their backs will be towards at least one of us.
Chat. Let me focus up. We can do this. Okay, aim training. Pow. You ready? Picking dia. Mid care. Cook the. Apa sih ini orang si Sigma ini tiba-tiba nge-flanking dah?
You?
Kira apa begitu gua tanya? Ya menang lah apalagi kocak. What? What do you mean? Bro, if you headshot her, the damage will also duplicate. What the?
Let's play slow.
Is she don't know or something? Oh my god, my bad, bro. Look at that. She's so like annoying, bro. No. Come on. How did
Have a single
nah,
life
sama halnya
worth
dengan
saving.
sisi, cuman sisi kayaknya belum not understand lah. Nah, Marshall gonna be back. Marshall. No.
Careful here. Careful here. Careful here.
Every choice matters.
Careful here.
Not enough. Plant the spike.
Plants the spike.
There.
Here.
Spike planted.
Unimportant.
Still in sight. Here.
One dead.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, nice. Pull up. Let me take the gun. Yeah. Good.
Look your enemy
I
in
need
the eye.
spindle, bro.
It
someone get
helps
this?
Is this
with accuracy.
upgraded? Yeah, it is. Since when he? Oh yeah. He.
Can someone get this? Thank you.
Wih, RRQ.
Let's play slow.
Enemy removed.
Reloading. Here.
Reloading.
Asal bro.
Enemy spotted B.
Go.
Healing over here.
One enemy remaining.
Nice,
My
woo.
ult ready.
Reloading.
Nice, team. Y'all are so good, bro. These guys are cooked up.
Cutting their vision.
Y'all
Gratefully
cooked up, bro.
Gun here. I survived
cooked up, bro.
operation. I will survive them.
Tapi tetap sih guys, skin favorit aku tuh Vandal of Chaos itu like the best one, bro. Enggak, maksudnya Reaver kedua. Vandal of Chaos itu paling bagus, man. Still like the best for me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's still the best for me, my boy. Jangan mati ulti ya. Itu udah keburu mati.
No distraction.
Phoenix killed.
Cover going out.
You lose?
Cover going out. Here. Plant the spike.
Our spike's down.
Nah?
Spike down B.
Three souls.
Last player standing. remaining.
I have the spike.
Oh, I shouldn't do that. My bad, bro. Why did I just do that, man? Oh my god. Itu bisa aja clutch plus ace, bro. Oh my god, I shouldn't do that. Shouldn't do that, bro. So bad, bro. So bad. Literally so bad.
Embarrass them.
Gede gue sumpah ngapain sih tadi? Oke, jalan mundur segala.
Fire in the hole!
Harus gue sumpah Rex kalau udah gitu Rex.
Hawk out.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Walk a little bit and I'm gonna... Someone's looking ya? Or they're just... ini. Yeah.
Spike planted.
1 point though.
Enemy spotted. My ultimate is ready. Wall raised.
Cutting their vision. You had your fun. My turn. Fabulous.
Breaking them.
Here.
One enemy remaining.
Told you, bro. Someone flying.
Enemy taken out.
I mean, told you.
I'm ready.
Help a girl out, would you?
Half a girl
mate.
out with you. Ini skin Araxis ini bagus, cuma dia nggak masuk top 5 juga guys. Top 5 itu Fan of Chaos, River, apa tadi namanya Prime, ya kan yang Prime. Terus yang keempat, aduh gue lupa udah lama nggak main guys. Apa sih namanya tuh? Ion ya, Ion. Gue nggak suka tuh. Yang kelima, iya yang kelima Araxis masuk. Yo, this place is so nice, bro.
Well done.
Careful here. Careful here.
Oh, I shouldn't do that.
Enemy spotted.
Araxis masuk top 5.
Thinking out loud.
Ini orang nggak pernah pakai ultinya nih si Sigma ini. Ya, aku juga punya Ionnya guys yang Phantom. Yang Phantom biasanya aku pakai kalau aku pakai ini guys. Omen baru pakai Phantom. Kalau pakai Reyna gini Vandal ya kan. Vandal, Guardian, kalau enggak operator.
No prisoners.
Karena musuhnya tipe rush jadi enggak. Sure mame.
Here.
Allahu Akbar, ayo makan.
Show me a target. Who else? Here.
One dead.
Enemy down.
How? Sure boy.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Thanks. Let me focus up. Humbala. Yuk, Tens masuk ke jiwaku Tens. Shinra Tensei.
Good done.
Dead.
Focus.
enemies into there.
Oh, sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I didn't do that. It's over there, man.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Still in sight.
Emang boleh, Bre? Emang boleh. Top frag loh. Udah ya. Kita tidak punya hak untuk mengatur orang bermain ya guys. Kecuali emang kita coachnya ya. Jadi it's okay. At least we win. At least we win. We so far so good. GG's bro. Nah, kalian mau lihat black market ya? Ini black market tuh. Sabar, Bre. Coba. Ini black market. Kalian tahu apa yang bagus dong? Gak ada yang bagus. Jadi thank you for today. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not today. We'll see you soon next day.